tiny crack in the bone caused by repetitive stress or force, and it's often from overuse.
Now, the symptoms of a stress fracture are quite simple. At first, there'll be a little bit of pain, but it's not quite noticeable. Eventually, the pain will grow into extreme tenderness, a bruise, and oftentimes a lot of swelling.
The cause of this injury is by repetitive amount of force to the bone. If your bones are subjected to so much amount of force without enough time to rest, your bone will start to absorb the force instead of the muscles absorbing the force, and this will cause a stress fracture. Females are higher risk of this stress fracture because of their higher chance of suffering from bone disease like osteoporosis.
If an athlete continued to play on their stress fracture, they would eventually progress to the point where the athlete is in pain, not even if there's no pressure applied to the wound or the injury. This pain would result in a severe impairment, or first a minor impairment, but then a severe impairment of the runner's abilities, as well as if they received a stress fracture and continued to play on it for an extended period of time, it would eventually end up being a permanent bone damage, and they would have to get a lot of reconstructive things done on their bone.
What seems to be the problem?
Well, I have pain in my shins, and this is the first time I've really felt pain in my shins, and I run a lot, so maybe it's because of that. I don't know.
Well, maybe you have a stress fracture. Let's check it out.
The doctor is getting ready to perform a physical examination. The doctor comes back with test results.
All right, so Ben, it looks like you have a stress fracture.
Oh no! Alright, so what's the plan, Doc?
Well, so we're gonna have to put you in a walking boot, and it will help take pressure off the bone. We're gonna give you a steroid shot to help repair the bone, and if you need, and you're gonna have to take some time off of sports, maybe 6 to 12 weeks. And so, if you need a psychologist, I can refer one to you.
Cool. Chase, I'm actually want to get this done.
Go.
Technique for preventing a stress fracture. Proper diet is necessary in preventing a stress fracture. Maintaining bone muscle health through maintaining good bone health through getting enough calcium as well as intake of enough calories. And vitamins to reduce the fatigue of your muscles. You may also get shoes with more support to reduce the impact of your tibia. Stretching regularly will also maintain muscle health. To reduce their possibility.
To avoid stress fractures, the best course of action would be to stretch and roll your calves regularly. Avoid running on harder surfaces such as concrete or asphalt. Wear the proper shoes according to your needed level of support. And if the symptoms persist, you may want to consider wearing calf sleeves or tape on your shins and site of injuries. By prevention of injury. So the equipment you're going to need to prevent a stress fracture is calf sleeves, muscle tape, a foam roller, and proper shoes.
Technique to prevent stress fractures. Proper diet is necessary in preventing a stress fracture, maintaining bone and muscle health through the restart.